Vertical gardening is growing up. It's no longer just a trend, it's a gardening revolution. More and more people are turning to vertical gardens to bring life and beauty to their homes, especially those with limited space. Imagine a cascade of vibrant flowers climbing your walls, a tower of juicy strawberries reaching for the sun, or a wall of fresh herbs scenting the air. Vertical gardening transforms ordinary spaces into extraordinary green havens. So let's roll up our sleeves, grab our gardening gloves, and get ready to grow up. One of the most appealing aspects of vertical gardening is its incredible space-saving potential. By utilizing vertical surfaces, you can maximize your growing area without sacrificing precious floor space. This makes it ideal for balconies, patios, small gardens, and even indoors. Vertical gardens are incredibly aesthetically pleasing, adding a touch of natural beauty and elegance to any setting. Imagine a plain wall transformed into a living tapestry of cascading greenery and vibrant blooms. Vertical gardens can create stunning focal points, add privacy, and soften harsh architectural lines. Plants act as natural air purifiers, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. By incorporating more plants into your surroundings, you can improve air quality and create a more refreshing atmosphere. Additionally, vertical gardens can help reduce noise pollution and provide a sense of tranquility and well-being. The world of vertical gardening offers a diverse range of techniques to suit every style and skill level. Let's explore some of the most popular techniques. Trellises are a classic and versatile option for supporting climbing plants. They come in various materials, sizes, and designs, allowing you to customize the look of your vertical garden. Wall planters are a fantastic way to add instant greenery to vertical surfaces. These planters come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, allowing you to create stunning living walls. Hanging baskets are a simple yet effective way to introduce vertical elements to your outdoor space. They're perfect for showcasing trailing plants, cascading flowers, or even small herbs and vegetables. Hang them from sturdy hooks or brackets on walls, fences, or pergolas. For the tech-savvy gardener, hydroponic towers offer a fascinating and efficient way to grow plants vertically. These systems use a nutrient-rich water solution instead of soil, allowing for faster plant growth and higher yields. Section 4. Building your vertical oasis, a step-by-step guide. Creating your own vertical garden is easier than you might think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. Select a location that receives adequate sunlight for the types of plants you want to grow. Choose a vertical gardening technique that suits your space, style, and budget. Once you've chosen your location and structure, gather all the necessary materials. If you're using starter plants, gently remove them from their pots and loosen any circling roots. Fill your planters with a high-quality potting mix that provides good drainage. Plant your chosen plants at the appropriate depth and spacing. A well-designed watering system is crucial for the success of your vertical garden. Consider using a drip irrigation system or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the roots of your plants. Once your vertical garden is planted and watered, add any finishing touches to enhance its visual appeal. This may include decorative stones, mulch, or even outdoor lighting. Section 5. Choosing the right plants. Reaching new heights. Selecting the right plants is essential for a thriving vertical garden. Consider the following factors when choosing your plants. Choose plants that are suitable for the amount of sunlight your vertical garden will receive. Select plants that naturally grow upright or have a trailing habit. Group plants with similar water requirements together to prevent overwatering or underwatering. Consider the level of maintenance you're willing to provide. Some excellent plant choices for vertical gardens include basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, and mint. Section 6. Maintaining your vertical garden. Tips for long-term success. Maintaining a vertical garden is similar to caring for plants in traditional gardens, but there are a few key considerations. Vertical gardens tend to dry out faster than traditional gardens due to their elevated position and exposure to wind. Check the moisture level of the soil regularly and water thoroughly when the top inch feels dry. Vertical garden plants require regular fertilization to thrive. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Regularly prune your plants to maintain their shape, encourage bushier growth, and remove any dead or diseased foliage. This will also help prevent overcrowding and improve air circulation. By following these tips, you can enjoy a lush and thriving vertical garden for years to come. So, why not give it a try? You might just be surprised at what you can achieve.